Hello, this is Jim from TechBuzz, and today I'm going to give you a quick review of the BNX-60 headphones from Lindy Connection Perfection. So I've been using these for about a week now, and they have been very cool to say, and yeah, very comfortable as well. And comfort is something we all like in a set of cans. So these come with wireless noise cancellation with aptX technology, and there's quite a few features to mention on. So on the back of the box, it'll just give us some specifications. As we expect, we've got 40mm drivers, we've built-in battery, we've integrated microphone, we've on-ear controls and so on. We've the usual features we'd expect to find in a pair of headphones, and it's got Bluetooth 4.1. It has an up to 15 hours battery life wireless only, and 30 hours with noise cancelling only, and 12 hours wireless noise and cancelling. And the charge time is up to 3 hours, and the noise cancellation rate is up to 85%. So yeah, they're pretty cool, and the battery life seems to tally with what they say after using them, so that's pretty good. It's your kind of average. So let's have a look. So we got a nice presentation here. We get this package as well that comes with it, and we get some information here, and it'll just give us some information on the controls inside and so on. So we'll just pop that aside, and here's the carry case here, which is nice and sturdy, as you can see. So it's good to have these, it's handy to have them, so it looks after them and not in use. So if you get one, use one. That's what they're for. So when we open up the case, we're presented like so, and we get a little goodie bag here, which is attached with Velcro, so you can place it anywhere, even in there if you like. So we get some pieces in here which are quite handy to have. So this is dead handy for airplanes, but you do often get these adapters on the planes, but it's handy to have your own. Quite cool indeed. We also get the usual cables we'd expect to find. We also get an extension here, which is handy to have, and we get our wired connection should you run out of battery. Again, no harm having this with you too. And of course this is for charging, so yeah, you can keep them all in this little pouch, which is very handy, and it's nice to have these little extras thrown in as well, so that's pretty nice. So on to the headphones themselves, and this is them here, and they're very comfortable. After using them for a week, I have to say I was quite impressed. They did kind of look a bit on the cheap side, but they're actually quite good. Overall, they're very good indeed, I must say. But as I said, they did kind of look cheap, but you know, looks don't mean everything. So we can see the branding here on both cups, and up on top then we have the headband here, which is surrounded with leather, and there's padding on both sides, and they're pretty flexible. So yeah, they're very comfortable, although this is on the thin side, but it's not really much of an issue, to be honest. So again, we have extension arms on both sides, which are kind of tough, so they'll slide up and down like so, but they do stay in place, which is vital, and no problem there. But it would be a bit on the stiff side to move these compared to some other ones we've tried of late. So we also get some movement here on both sides of these cups, if you will. They'll twist like so. Again, these be stowed away like this, so they just twist out like that, and when they're on, they're like this. So pretty cool idea there. And these will move in and out like so here, as you can see. Both do the same thing, and that's pretty good to have. So they are flexible. And onto the cups themselves, there's a nice soft leather material here, and this is very comfortable and blocks out quite a lot of the noise. And if you're on the small eared size, you will notice the big difference there. But as a whole, very comfortable indeed. I didn't notice any sweating after using for a long period of time, but comfort is optimum here, which is very good. So on to some of the features. We have our regular control buttons here, play, fast forward, pause and so on, and they're kind of flush with the cup itself, so it will take like a minute to kind of navigate them blindly, but you should pick them up pretty quickly after that. We have an LED indicator light here. This is for Bluetooth connections, 3.5mm headphone socket, our mic, and then our charging port here tucked away under this little flap. And on the opposite side then we have our volume control, which is retro-ish to me. It's a physical button rather than a button you'll just press up or down, plus or minus, but I didn't mind it too much at all, to be honest. And we have our active noise cancellation switch here, and when it turns on, the blue light will appear like so. So that's pretty much it there on this side. It's kind of a matte black finish. They didn't pick up too much fingerprints at all now, to be honest, after using them, and again they can easily cleaned, but it's a nice rubberized finish on them, so pretty cool indeed. So overall they're quite nice, and sound quality is actually quite good too. So overall we're pretty impressed with the BNX-60 from Lindy. Very, very comfortable. Features that you'd expect to find on such headphones. Comfort here as well up at top, and as a whole they're pretty good, pretty neat and pretty sturdy, so I'd expect a long time having these, as I would with plenty of other headphones. You should have no problem getting some time out of them, so they're pretty solid as well. So overall pretty solid, cool, work quite well, all the features you expect to find. Comfort is optimum, as I said, and they look good, and again easy to keep clean. There's a nice rubberized finish on them too, so they're quite an excellent package as a whole. So any questions at techbuzzireland. We'll talk to you soon in the next one.